She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond. Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing some tribal style braids. So feed-in braids in the front section and knotless braids in the back. We'll be doing triangle part knotless braids in this back section. Right now I'm just sectioning out the front section for the feed-in braids. That back part, that whole back part, will be doing the triangle part knotless braids. And real quick guys, although this is not a hair blend video, we're not using a hair blend for these braids, I still wanted to inform you that we are restocked for my hair blends on my website. So some of your favorites like Ash Blonde, Ginger Honey, Cream and Sugar, Fall, Pumpkin Spice, what are the other ones? Auburn, we have French Vanilla. We are back in stock, baby. So make sure my link will be down in the description below. So if you are interested, be sure to click the link and just browse through and see what blend you like, what blend maybe will fit your vibe or your next braided hairstyle. And some of you may know I am taking custom blend orders now, so that's been running very smoothly for the last couple weeks. So I am still taking those custom blend orders. I am using store-bought braiding hair, so I'm not using my brand braiding hair, but it's still pretty close and pretty close to my hair texture. Still pre-stretched. You know, a lot of the things that my brand braiding hair is, I try to use another brand that would be very close to it. So if you want a blend that is not on the website right now, or you want to create your own blend, then just email me in. I will also leave my email down below. Just email in and we can try to get that set up for you and get you a custom order. So yeah. Okay, so back to the video. As you guys can see right now, I'm just doing the front section first. So I'm doing the feed-in stitch braids. And so these braids are going sideways, so down towards her ear, and I'm doing 3 on each side, so 6 braids total in this front section for the feed-in braids. And the way I'm doing it is going to look like the middle part is kind of zigzaggy. I didn't have to do the actual zigzaggy lines. I just had to, you know, part the straight lines going down the side down to her ears. So you guys will see what that looks like once I, you know, do all the braids in this front section. But then in the back we also did triangle part knotless braids, and that was just kind of to match that zigzag triangle part look that's going on in this front section. And I am so sorry, you guys. I don't know the brand braiding hair that I use for these braids. I did this video so long ago and just I'm behind on editing, and I did not have a clip of the braiding hair either. But I am going to give you guys 3 suggestions for braiding hair that you can try out. I do like this Ruwa braiding hair, also glance formation, and the outre expression braiding hair. So if you guys are looking for a braiding hair brand to try, you can definitely give one of those 3 a try. I think I like the Ruwa the best, but again, I just don't remember which one I used in this video, so I do apologize. But as far as the product that I'm using, it is the braid locking gel, so it's the one right there at the right side of the screen, and I will also link that down in the description below for you guys to check it out if you're interested in it. And now I'm on my second braid. As you guys can see, instead of creating that zigzag part in the middle in the beginning, I'm just doing straight lines going down, and that's going to create a zigzag kind of look there. As you guys can see, I've had people in the past ask me how to blend braiding hair with natural hair, and I'm assuming it's when you're doing a style like this, like feed-in braids or even box braids or knotless braids, and you want the texture of the braiding hair and the natural braiding hair or the natural hair to look the same and kind of just all flow and look nice and neat. That's what I'm assuming the question is. So pro tip is just to use the product, apply the product to the strand of hair, and then comb through like I'm showing you guys right here. And that's just going to give it a very smooth appearance and blend the two textures together, so it doesn't look like you know, fake hair on top of real hair. It just looks like natural. So now we're in this back section, and for this full back section, we're just going to do knotless braids. We are going to do them as triangle parts. So this is my very first row and very first braid. I did do a total of 4 rows in this back section, so we're doing them kind of big. I'm starting out with doing some knotless braids, splitting up the hair into 3 sections. I usually add 5 pieces of the braiding hair when I'm doing my knotless braids, unless I'm wanting to like extend the braid or give the braid a little bit more thickness, that I'll add in more pieces as needed. And by the way, if you're wanting a video on how to extend a braid to give it more, to make it longer, or how to add in pieces to a braid, then check out this video. I'll give you guys 3 different ways on how to add hair to a braid and how to extend a braid to give it more length. So make sure to check that video out. And if you like this video or the video that you're currently watching, be sure to check out other videos. I do have a lot more in-depth tutorial videos that I think will be very helpful to you guys. So I am curling the ends of these braids, so I'm just creating a knot there towards the ends, and then I'm using my perm rods to create the curls. I'm just going to wrap the rest of the braiding hair around the perm rod until it ends, and then I am going to dip all of the braids in hot water at the very end, towel dry that, and then remove the perm rods. I am just going to let you guys continue to watch until the very end. The rest of this is just going to be me continuing to do the triangle part knotless braids on the rest of the back section, and then I'll show you guys the finishing result. I'll even style it a little bit for you guys to see, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys like the style. If you do, if you like this video, if you like these braids, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, and then also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget, again, the link down in my description to my braiding hair. Check it out. And thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. I hope you guys be blessed, stay protected, stay filled with love and peace.